The event that we are here for today is the 2024 Best Southwest STEAM competition for the areas. So our kids participated in the drone competition, the esports competition, and the robotics competition. We had kids from Katherine Johnson, West Middle School, Male Leadership Academy, Ruby Young, and the high school.
Today's competition was great. We had a lot of fun. My guys really enjoyed it. This is our first real competition. The tournament was great. There were some great teams here, and we really appreciate that.
Being able to see how other people play in the competition, our team can be going against, I think it was good. Perfect exposure.
I'm in the robotics competition, and STEM is great. Like, there's more opportunities here, and there's more stuff to do. Hands-on experience. It's very fun.
The competition I'm in is in the drone racing. How I feel about STEM is that I really do enjoy it. It has really interesting things, and you don't know what you're gonna learn.
With STEAM being such a big part of this, it helps our kids with their math, helps them with their science. It opens up many more doors than what you would think. The sky is the limit.
This is an absolute dream come true. It's a game changer. We have the best and brightest talent not only in the region, but on the planet. And I'm so proud to be a part of celebrating and showcasing what they can do.